sports ministry and the sports ministry, youth and sports ministry.
Ghana Majo.
I am tempted to believe that there is nobody who is thinking. Yenimo Bionim Yansa, I want the sports ministry. Me can't say that one test. I won't mention me. The entire sports ministry, the entire sports ministry, I'm tempted to believe, sir, Yenimi Yansa phobia, I was sports ministry.
Ghana Majo.
Sure. But me one example. Isaac Esiamo here the then sports minister. Under this same government, I can say Okwakwasi sports stadia, our various regions, 10 regions. Me no can say he did the apro. His Excellency the late Professor Mills. And I just saw sister
Ghana Majo.
A friend say near Dubiase. As we speak, because of politics in tea. But let me get the pictures fast, Mr. O. Because of politics in tea. A friend is a stadium need to baby. And I hear this and I hear politics. I'm doing politics out of it. Now so come on Facebook and I say Fumo yo Moody. Just come on Facebook. Sure. Now let's take our time and go through the expenditure of the Ghana Football Association, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, a ministry who don't have any thinking, the right thinking person. Yejai, this is a Sports Stadium. It is near collapsing. Hina Sports Complex. Asai, near Dubiase, aside Apro, Yanya because of politics. Now, Mutie, the expenditure of the